Hello friend, Santosh here. How are you all? I hope you all are good and healthy. Okay, in my previous video, friends, we discussed about volcanic topography. Okay, today we starting a new topic, earthquake. Okay, in earthquake, we study its introduction and its classification of earthquake, causes of earthquake, and last one, worldwide distribution. Okay. First, we discuss seismology. Okay, it is a branch of science in which we study about earthquake. In simple words, we say that seismology is the scientific study of earthquakes and related phenomena such as volcanic eruption. Seismologists also apply what they learn from studying the Earth's structure and other geological events such as tsunamis for the commercial and other purpose such as detecting nuclear explosion. Okay, now seismography or seismometer, it is an instrument measure seismic waves. Okay, it's used for measuring the seismic waves. Okay, Richter scale, the measure magnitude of the earthquake, and it is an logarithmic scale which measure 1 to 10 logarithm. Okay friends, in simple words we say that the Richter scale and how it measure earthquake magnitude. The Richter scale calculate an earthquake magnitude size from the amplitude of the earthquake's largest seismic wave recorded by the seismography. Each increase of 1 unit on the scale represent 1 to 10 fold increase in the magnitude of an earthquake. Okay, invented by Charles Francis Richter. Okay, Mercalli scale. Friends, it's not a mercury, it's a Mercalli. Mercalli, Mercalli. Okay, Mercalli scale, it is a scale which measure magnitude and intensity of scale which measure 1 to 12 intensity of earthquake. Okay, in simple words we say that in Mercalli intensity scale measure the intensity of an earthquake by observing its effect on people, the environment and the earth's surface. The Richter scale measure the energy released by an earthquake using a seismography. Okay, second one, isoseismal intensity. It is an imaginary line which adjoins the same intensity earthquake place. Okay, in simple words we say that a line connecting the points on the earth's surface at which earthquake intensity is same. It is usually a closed curve around the epicenter. Okay, now homoseismal time. Okay, it is an imaginary which adjoin the same time earthquake area. Okay, in simple words we say that homoseismal is a line drawn on the map to show the places recording the same time of occurrence of earthquake. Okay, now introduction. Okay, earthquake resulting of sudden releasing of energy on the earth crust that creates seismic waves. Focus or epicenter is that point where earth releases their interior energy. Body wave occurs at the focus when that wave enter into the earth's surface, so they creates vibration in the earth crust known as earthquake. Body wave reach at the crust firstly known as epicenter. Epicenter and hypocenter are perpendicular to each other. Okay, in simple words we say that an earthquake is a sudden movement of the earth caused by the abrupt release of strain that has accumulated over a long time. For hundreds of millions of years, the force of a plate tectonic has shaped the earth as the huge plates that form the earth's surface slowly move over, under and past each other. Okay, now classification of earthquake. Okay, classification of earthquake on the basis of natural causes and on the basis of man-made. Okay, now on the basis of natural causes, it's surface earthquake, submarine earthquake, and on the basis of man-made, collapse of earthquake, and second point is explosive, and third point is reservoir induced earthquake. Okay, now volcano induced, they occur due to eruption center type volcano. Okay, second point, tectonic earthquake, they occur due to convergence of plate known as tectonic earthquake. Okay, third one, isostatic earthquake, such type of earthquake occur when earth is in equilibrium position. Okay, and last one is faulting earthquake, such type of equilibrium occur due to faulting folding of earth rock. Volcanic earthquake, they are highly destructive. Okay, they are dangerous. Tectonic earthquake, they are also highly destructive. Collapse earthquake, they mainly occurred in mining earthquake. Explosive earthquake, they occur due to atomic explosion, nuclear test. Reservoir induced earthquake, they occur due to more weight of water body and breaking of rock. Okay friends, now classification on the basis of depth. Okay, solo depth focus on 0 kilometer. Okay, sorry, 0 not, it's a 50 kilometer. Okay, and normal depth is 0 kilometer. Mid depth focus on 250 kilometer, and maximum depth focus on 750 kilometer. Okay, we continue it in my next video. Thank you very much for seeing my videos. Okay, bye bye, see you again in my next video. Okay friends, bye bye.